I'm very excited. My Prolon kit has arrived. I've been waiting for this. This is the 5-day diet, and everything you need for 5 days is in this little kit. All the information you need to begin the diet is in the box. So today is day 1 for me. And this is all going to be for the 5 days to prepare me for my fasting routine. Okay, so this is day 1. So that's what today is. And I'm allowed to eat everything that's in this box. So as you could see, this is mimicking a 5-day fast. I'm going to do it for the 5 days and hopefully reset my body and feel better. So let's get going. Today, day 1, I am allowed to eat every single thing that's in this packet, and I'm going to do that. I will tell you how I like everything after I try it, and then I am also going to tell you about my progress. I'm very excited to begin this, and they just help you every step of the way. All the information you need is right here. There's instructions. There's everything. So I'm going to learn about the program just like you guys, and I'm going to begin today, and I'll keep you updated on my progress.